I think it was a fabulous experience, to win this award as the best retail bank in the foreign bank category was a great experience, and it's almost like a validation of our strategy that we have been adopting over a period of time. Our strategy that is focused on the right client segments that we pursue, and the way we reach out to our clients, and our real big focus on the reach out through digital, both for acquisitions and servicing. So very happy to receive this award, and more importantly, we really thank our clients for their support and our employees for all the efforts that they put in every day and every hour to get us to be at this place. So it feels great. Thank you very much. So Citibank has been in India since 1902. It's been a bank that has been in India for over now 114 years, and over the period of time we have really worked on a lot of products across client segments, be it corporate, be it commercial, be it retail. We did launch a lot of pioneering products in this country. We brought credit cards to this country. We brought ATMs. We brought phone banking, internet banking, mobile banking, what have you. So our legacy is based on complete innovation and being pioneers in our field. And again, the way we have worked out is that we work both with our clients and with our employees. In the past many years, our strategy has been one which has been focused on innovation and really breaking grounds. And we have found that both our clients and our employees really adapt to that strategy, and the adoption of that strategy by both our clients and employees is very high. So our strategy is one that is based on innovation, on being a pioneer, on being digital, and that's how we stay relevant and we stay completely committed since the last 114 years.